My name's Kieran Thomas. My job title is Apprentice in Butchery in Carmarthen Butchery. I started off as a chef and I really enjoyed it, but it was just the hours of days that you'd work in the chefing community was just too much for me. So then I've seen that there was a job coming up and I thought, oh, I'll try it and do an apprenticeship out of it, and I'm really enjoying it. So the way I had the apprenticeship was I was looking on jobs online and it came up for an apprenticeship for the butchery in Carmarthen. Basically I went to see if I could be successful in getting it, and then after that Matthew put me in to be an apprentice, and yeah, it just went forward from there really. Typical day at work for me is filling up the counters. I get taught how to cut the meats and how to make all of the little bits and bobs that we do, like our very nice ones we do, the lamb and mint twists. They're one of my favourites, to be fair. And yeah, it's just basically filling up the counters and serving customers. Yeah, I'd say to talk to someone and then possibly like they'd be able to give them a better idea of how to like progress in it and what they should do beforehand. Because I was a qualified chef beforehand, it helped me out because of course I had the knife skills and everything. Coming into it, I knew how to use a knife, I knew how to use the slicers, so it was literally just the meats and stuff that I was getting used to then. My favourite food's gotta be steak. It's gotta be a good steak.